Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, hello everyone. Welcome back with me again at the Ismail in Schooling channel. So here in this video, I will give you a tutorial how to do an installation EVNG in virtual machine that usually called. And here I'm using the VMware Workstation 17 Pro. So why we are using this? So uh, today, because our material, the next, it's more advanced, like using stub, prefix list, or other. So in Cisco Packet Tracer, some of the feature is cannot be used because limitation, I think. So we are using IOL virtual router virtual switch in FANG. So here's on the screen I will show you. So first thing that you need to do is go to your browsers and do installation or search first about the VMware that you need to use. So we have three that I know. The first is VMware Workstation, but you need a license for that. Second, you can use VirtualBox. Third, you can use GNS3. So GNS3, the installation is more complicated. So here for the a bit same of the two virtual machine, that is VMware Workstation or VirtualBox. So here you can search VMware Workstation 17 Pro. So you can download for the search. Here you can download it. After you download the file, or you can search virtual box, Oracle VirtualBox. So it's the same. For the installation is easy also. It's not hard. For the installation the virtual machine like FNG, PNetLab, NS3. Okay, because I'm okay. If already, you can open the virtual machine. So if already open, it will looks like this because I'm already installing the virtual machine. So it will be just look like this. Okay, next. Okay, first thing that you will open or see, so when the workstation or VMware workstation or it's open, it will be look like this, right? So you can just create a virtual machine. You can just click next. So you need to search the installer disk image file or the ISO. So because FNG is .ovf or not .iso, it will be cannot be seen. So what you need to do is click two times on the file, the raw file of the what's that raw machine. So here I will be open the file, my file about the virtual machine. So this is the FNG virtual machine. So I can open it, double click. So this is will be shown import virtual machine. So you can type name of the virtual machine, if okay, and you can change the storage path for the virtual machine. So I'm gonna change the file location for the virtual machine. It's into the drive B because my first drive it's full, so can use example. Okay, here new and okay import. So now I'm importing the virtual machine. So you just need to wait until it's done. Okay guys, okay, the next it's already done for the uploading process. So it will be look like this. So if I look like this, you can just click power on this virtual machine. Alright, so when the power machine is already on, you can just wait. It's booting like the usual operating system like Windows, macOS, and other Linux like that. Okay, if it's like this, the looks it's already like CLI. So this operating system is look like a CLI. So they need you to do a login. So because we don't, he need us to type the user and password. So the default user name is root. So you can what is that? See in here. So there's fng default root password is default user is root and the password is fa. And type root and fa. So it will be open. Okay, when it's already like this, so how to access it? So you can just open your browsers and just type the IP address or the IP address for accessing the GUI. So here's the IP that FANG gave to me. That is 192.168.2.136. 136. Enter. So they need you to put on the password, the username and password. So the username is admin, the password is fa. So the next is you need to change the native console into the HTML5 console, because in HTML5 console it will be opening the console not with putty. The putty is like this, so it's like CLI, or this is the monitor for showing the operating system of the router. So like if you have a PC, if there is no monitor it will be not showing, because if there is a monitor it will be showing. So it's the same mean like that. So the putty it's will be like the monitor, virtual monitor. So it's using a cable, can be using a cable if you have contact, what is that, have a connection into a real router, a real device. It's using a cable. But if using putty for the virtual machine, you need to use, what is that, drivers. So we are just using the HTML5 console because it's already instant, so you don't need anything installation about it. So you can just sign in. After that, it will be blank like this. You can make a lab, and new lab, and doing anything you want in here. So I think that's all from me for the tutorial, um, accessing and how to installation of virtual machine and in VMware workstation. Okay, I think that's all from me. Sorry I have some mistake or wrong word. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.